to all my car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. So now we got a project car. It might take me a year or 2 years to get it where I want to get it at, where I want it to be, but I want y'all to check this out. I just got this today. It's a 1998. It's a Dx Honda Civic 2-door. All right, I'm gonna show y'all. So what y'all think I should do? You think I should later on case swap it or keep it original? A little bit, see if we can save the hood. If not, I had to get another one. All right. Pretty much what you see is how I got it. Like I said, they dropped it off today. Got the scratch marks here. All right. That's a 15 back here. The other side's a 14. This right here is kind of flabby. I got to put a screw in there, but it's kind of like loose all up in there. You got a 15 on the front here. You see all this right here need to be either pushed, pushed in inside the bumper. I might do that with my hand, but I got to get all that back in. All right. So before I show y'all the motor, so y'all can see the inside. All right. So this is the inside. Like I said, it's gonna be the first Honda Civic project car on here until I get my Acura Legend back. All right. So this is what you see. All right. Got a radio in here, works. The seat's kind of dirty though. You know, we're gonna definitely rip the seats out the back of this, clean up real good. I guess that's none of that really attached and all of that. So it's pretty well decent. It's clean, but not clean. You can see how the seats look. I take the covers off. Oh, them seats don't look too bad. They got covers on them. We don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. We can clean them all up. They're not even torn in anything. See, seats ain't too bad. Take it off so y'all what the seats, what I can see. All right. So that's the driver's seat. Not too bad. Not too bad. This piece is broken here, so we gotta fix that. As far as the trunk, it broke, so I got to get the little handle for that. So that broke off. You need a pair of pliers to pull that. All right. So I paid. See, I don't know if those are original miles, but that's 100. It's 102 miles on here, so 47. So it's 100. Yeah, it's 100,000 miles on here. 471,000 miles. So that's what's on there. That's the mileage right there. So it could be the original miles. I don't know. All right, can a radio. We start this, and I know she's gonna need motor mounts. I know that for a fact. Hope I got the key in my pocket. She starts right up. I think the check engine light is on. He didn't tell me that, so we'll figure that out with the scanner. All right. So the check engine light is on. That's on. Right, so the radio and everything in here, the radio works. Turn that off, don't want to get copyright claim on that. So the radio does work. Everything is functional. You still even have the original book. It has the original 1998 manual. So you got the book is still in here. All right. What else is in here? I don't know. That's for the shifter. This right here. It's a relay. Alright. So does the windows roll up and down? Alright, the windows does roll up and down, so the window, everything works. There's no power windows in, everything rolls up and down. The mirrors move. It's functional on its own. Alright, so the mirror does move. All right, so once we got over here, we can see. All right, little stains up in there. Dogs must have been chewing that. All right, so what y'all think I should do with this? Should I case swap it, re-swap it? What should I do with this car? All right, so I definitely gotta rip all the panels off. I gotta clean everything. Everything gotta get cleaned pretty good, you know. Let's get up. Let's get to the front. Like Like I said, you got your little rust spots here. And this is the only thing my main concern is this rust. I'm gonna have to get to that. I'm gonna have to pretty much sand that down and do some body work on that. All right, so plus clean the wheels up and paint them black, get the rust out, make it look somewhat decent. All right, here we go. It's the moment y'all been waiting for. It's the moment y'all been waiting for. Let's pop this hood real quick. But we definitely is going to make this out of something. So let me see if I can get this hood up. All right. We got the hood up. That's the engine for y'all. So 1 second, let me put this up here. So this is the engine for y'all. All right, so we're gonna power wash everything today with engine cleaner. It's the engine. Look at the motor mounts. I told you the motor mounts. The motor mounts are shot. See the motor mounts? So I definitely got to order 2 motor mounts. Oil all on the transmission. Oil all over the transmission. I'm definitely gonna hit this on power wash all this today. We're gonna make this engine look really, really clean today by the time I get done with it. All right, plus we gotta get this off. They got this hitting that. I don't know why that's on it, but we definitely do something with that. All right, so you're gonna need valve cover gaskets. She's leaking, but we're gonna take that off and paint all of this. All this is gonna get sanded, painted, pretty good. Belts and everything down here. All right, don't look too bad, but we're gonna change that. That's just a motor mount here. So somebody tell me there's a motor mount. Probably is a motor mount right here. So I'm gonna have to change the motor mounts on this. Order everything today. So that's pretty much all it is. I don't know what that is in the corner down there. Piece of, I don't know what that is in that corner, but we'll get it. But we definitely about to hit this up real quick. Power wash all this. All right, so let's see what's in here. See how this is looking. All right, so leave in the comments what y'all think I should do with this. We definitely gonna look at this. Oh, that's dirty. You gotta order some things for this. eBay, Amazon, whatever. What else is in there? One more here. All right, there's that. And see how dirty that is? That's that. I don't know what that tissue is. I don't know what that is, but this your air filter right here. This is done. See that? It's definitely the air filter. I think that's a deer over there. Yeah, some deers over there. Yeah, need to clean that too. See all of this? See it right from the top. So we definitely got to do something with this car. But this is the new project for the channel. All right, so make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. And whatever comments y'all got in the comments, leave it in there. What you think I should do? I used to have a CRX, but I never owned a Civic like this. But when I owned the CRX, I didn't do the turbo, put wheels on it. But I never was in the building like I am now. So leave in the comments what you think I should do with this car. All right, so I'm gonna tag a few people in it trying to get some help with it. It's my first time with one of these, but there's a lot of oil. But we're gonna clean all this up today. Definitely clean all this up today, and I'll show you the video when I'm done. All right, so hey, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker Jay, and we got something different from the channel that we're gonna bring y'all. But we're gonna definitely try to rebuild this, and we're gonna replace the hood. Definitely gonna replace the hood. See if I can fix the trunk. Gonna do the trunk and get some better mirrors for this. All right, so we're gonna do something with it. The only thing that came new on this car is the headlights. That's the only thing that came new. Was the headlights. The lights are pretty decent, but we're gonna change those out too. All right, so peace.